And now to reassemble this firearm, or any firearm, you just go into reverse order of how you disassembled it. So for this reassembly, we would grab our fore end with the action bars. We'd put our slide carrier here, or slide. Put the bolt back on. Fit the fore end over the magazine tube. Bring the bolt, the system, or the assembly back into the action. Depress that slide stop. Both slide stops on both sides. You can bring the bolt to the rear, and now this is actually locked in place, so it won't fall out again unless you were to depress those shell stops. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your trigger assembly. Fit that into the firearm. Easily. Fit that down in. Make sure your pinholes line up. Very easy to keep these differentiated. One is large and one is small. You would just start those with your hand. Small pin. And then this is where I would probably use the polymer end of the hammer. Just knock those into place. Again, using finesse, you can come down to the receiver. It's not going to hurt it, especially on finishes like this. This is more of a Parkerized finish. And then you're going to fit you're going to bring your bolt forward, probably half open on the ejection port. Fit your, I'll probably move it just a bit further forward. Fit your barrel back in, and then you're going to torque your nut back down. And after every reassembly, we want to give it just a general function check. Here is the bolt override, so you can bring the bolt to the rear by depressing this. On a Mossberg, it's going to be at the back. But yeah, you want to give it a general feel or function check. Making sure the firearm is pointed in a safe direction, you're going to check the trigger. Make sure everything functions, and this one's checking out just fine. Put it back on safe. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and liking so that you have access to our future content. And also visit us at sdi.edu. Check out our certificate programs and associate programs. We look forward to seeing you at SDI, and welcome to the family.